Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is one of my favorites, and it's actually design critique. Now, you don't create design critique for other designers, you're creating design critique for businesses. So basically you can find, if let's say you're working as a website designer or UI UX designer, you can find businesses in your niche that you are interested in and see their websites. Once you see their websites, you can analyze their websites and see what they are doing right, what they are doing wrong, and what you could do as a designer to improve those websites. Make sure to create a video. You can use software like OBS, you can use your default microphone, you can even use your phone to record your voice and then incorporate that into your editing software. You can use Filmora free version, for example, just so that you can edit that final video. So your face does not need to show on your videos if you're not comfortable in front of the camera. But the main approach here is to point out the mistakes that clients are making and to point out the solutions that you have as a designer, which is going to help them improve their business. Key here is not to talk about you, but to talk about them. What you can do for them in order to help them increase their earnings, for example, improve their business, improve their reach and stuff like that. So make sure to target it around them and to target it around businesses you really want to work with, that you are passionate about and that you can really come across on this video. Even though you're not appearing on the camera, you can really come across as an excited person about working with this brand, about working on this potential project. And then what you can do is simply reach out to that business and simply send them that video. You can reach out and say, listen, I know you don't know me. I'm really passionate about your business, about what you're creating. I think it's amazing, but I am a website designer, UI UX designer, whatever you are. And I think that there are some things that you can do in order to improve your business. It's going to take you 30 minutes, 1 hour or something like that to create and edit this video and to send it to them. Make sure it's short, for example, 5 to 6 minutes long. Don't speak too long about this. And you can send them that via email, for example, or you can do it on social media if they have Facebook, Instagram, whatever. But the key here is to give them free value, to understand what they can do to improve their business in terms of design. So if you are a logo designer, then you can do that for the logo. If you are a branding designer, you can do that for branding. But the key here thing is to talk about them, what you can do for them in order to help them improve their business, increase their sales and so on. You would be amazed at how many people are going to come back to you and offer you these design positions, or simply ask what are our next steps. I would really like for you to make these changes and to help me implement these changes to help my business grow. So design critique, especially video critique, is a fantastic way for you to make a lot of money, because you're going to, number one, approach the brands that you really like, and number two, you're going to help those brands that you really like improve their business and basically create a lot more work for you. If you are in a specific niche, you can put on a piece of paper or in a Word document or whatever, you can put all of these different businesses and you can analyze their websites, and you can simply approach to each and every one of them and simply offer them solutions for the problems that might be facing, because once again, not every business is going to take you up on your offer. Some businesses are really going to ignore you. they're not going to come back to you, but the ones who do are potential for you in order to improve their business and in order to improve your career and your earnings. So try it. Once again, you will be amazed at the difference it's going to make to your business. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much, much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.